First of all, we need to go to Appearance and then click on Themes. Then we'll click on Add New and we'll select or search for Astra Theme. Once that pops up, we'll install it. It will take a few seconds and then we'll activate the theme. Okay, our theme is activated. I'll show you now. So this is the previous theme, and if I refresh the page, so this is the Astra theme, but as you can see, it's a plain and simple page. There's nothing to it. We want to add a like pictures and titles and stuff like that. So for that, we'll need to import a demo template. We'll go to the plugins and search for starter templates. We'll install it and then activate it. Then we'll go to the install plugins and click on C library. Then we'll click on build your website. We'll use Elementor to build our page. From here you can see a lot of themes for different niche and different like businesses and people. I'll select blogger. You can see there are premium themes. I want free templates, so I'll change it to personal branding. And let's see, as you can see, there are many themes. I like this one. I click it. So this is the demo template for the website. I want to add my logo, so I'll add or upload my logo PNG file. I'm just using a simple M for my logo. It's not my logo, it's just a sample. And I'll click on select. I can change the width of the logo to make it bigger or smaller. I can change the colors of the whole theme depending on my preference. As you can see here, it can change colors and stuff. I can also select the font for the website. I'll leave it to Montserrat font because I like this font, and we'll click on continue. Then we will click these boxes and select submit and build my website. It will take a few seconds to install the theme to your website. I might have talked too fast in this video because I want to deliver the instruction quick and fast for people so that it doesn't waste their time. And yeah, so our website has been built, and if I refresh the page, it will show the theme installed. So this is my new website. This is the demo, obviously, and I'll now need to change it. I'll show you how to change the theme or customize the theme in a later video, but as you can see, this is the demo website. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you within 30 minutes. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.